Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, June 12th, 2025, we're dissecting Bitcoin, just by analyzing the news and the charts. First, let's address current events. GameStop is raising another $1.75 billion, potentially for Bitcoin purchases, which could indicate strong corporate interest. Also, Trump stating a U.S.-China trade deal is done could boost risk assets like Bitcoin, so keep that in mind. However, a New York City crypto torture case adds a layer of uncertainty to the market. Now, let's transition to the charts. We will begin with the one-day chart. Looking at the one-day chart, we can see a recent history of volatility. From late February to mid-March 2024, Bitcoin experienced a significant surge, reaching a high near $73,000, but later corrected. We then see another period of consolidation before another rally. Currently, Bitcoin is trading around $100,000, but the latest candles show some retracement. It's important to watch for support around the $95,000 level. A break below this point could signal further downside. The key resistance to watch is the $102,000 to $104,000 area. A break above this could lead to further gains, perhaps correlated with the GameStop news. Now, let's zoom into the more recent price action. We'll take a look at the one-hour chart to get a better understanding of the short-term trends and potential trading opportunities. This will give us a closer view of the consolidation we see on the daily chart. Examining the hourly chart, we see smaller, more frequent candles that display a lot of short-term volatility, but little change overall. We will watch for a breakout from this consolidation, keeping in mind the importance of the key daily support levels. On the hourly, a break below 109,000 would be a bearish indicator, while breaking above 110,000 would be bullish. To get an even granular picture, let's switch to the 15-minute chart. This will help us pinpoint very short-term entries and exits. On the 15-minute time frame, we observe a tight trading range. Prices are fluctuating between minor support and resistance levels, making it ideal for scalping strategies. However, due to the low volume, trading in this range is risky. Overall, Bitcoin is showing mixed signals. Positive news about GameStop and U.S.-China trade could fuel a bullish rally, pushing it past $102,000 and potentially towards $200,000 by the end of the year. However, potential negative events such as the NYC crypto case could spark a sell-off, testing support around $95,000. Keep an eye on these levels and the volume accompanying any breakouts or breakdowns. To recap, watch for these key price levels. Major support lies around $95,000, and a break below that could signal a bearish trend. On the upside, a break above $102,000 and then $104,000 on the daily time frame could confirm a bullish breakout. Also, monitor news sentiment regarding the GameStop treasury and the U.S.-China trade deal. I hope you found this helpful. Until next time, this has been Explain the Charts.